This video will discuss how to sell agents using the QuoteX platform and a resource-based model. Our sales engineering team uses QuoteX to create a detailed project timeline. Based on a traditional resource-based model, the projected net fees for this engagement are over $2 million. To ensure comprehensive project coverage, the sales engineer assigns key functional roles, including project management, solution architecture, development, quality assurance, and DevOps. Following the AMS delivery model, all identified resources are allocated at 100% capacity for a 24-month duration. This ensures continuous service stability. The total net fee is calculated using a granular pricing model, where each assigned resource is billed at a specific hourly rate. In the era of Agentic AI, we are optimizing the traditional AMS model. By deploying our internal Agent QA and Agent DevOps, we offload high-volume manual tasks. This integration significantly reduces project overhead while increasing delivery speed. QuoteX is engineered for the modern service landscape. Our platform allows for the seamless estimation of AI agents alongside traditional human resources. This ensures that automated work streams are accurately priced and integrated into the total service quote. By integrating Agent QA into the project timeline, we shift from variable hourly billing to a consistent monthly flat fee. This provides budget predictability with 24/7 quality assurance coverage. Following the successful integration of QA automation, we deploy Agent DevOps. Transitioning DevOps tasks to a fixed monthly fee eliminates manual infrastructure dependencies and optimizes the project's total cost. With Agent QA and Agent DevOps successfully integrated, we can now remove the traditional manual roles from the timeline. This strategic shift allows our AI agents to handle testing and infrastructure management, ensuring a more efficient project structure. Our QA assurance lead will review agent outcomes and provide training. By integrating Agent QA and Agent DevOps, we have optimized the 24-month engagement model, achieving a significant cost reduction. The project's net fees are reduced from over $2 million to just under $2 million by offloading manual, repetitive tasks to our AI-native workforce.